What's up, guys? We're here in Salou, Spain.
Yeah, Salou, Tarragona.
Near Tarragona, and we're at this place called Hotel La Pineda. It's pretty sweet. It's literally less than $100 a night Canadian, which I think is a pretty good deal.
Yeah, it's really cheap.
And it's got like pools, and it's right by the ocean. It's beautiful. I'll show you guys 1 minute. Check out this beautiful place. Nice pool, some water slides over there. Another pool here. We're up in the tower there somewhere on the other side. It's a pretty beautiful place. It's like nice statues. They covered up his dong, so that's cool. I've seen some dongs around here, so it's good that there's one covered at least. Hot tubs, there's a couple restaurants. And we're gonna go down to the beach in a bit. Check it out. There's a giraffe just in case.
And his tongue is out.
Just in case you wanted African animals at your Spanish pool. And there's a dolphin too.
I think this is the children's part.
This is definitely, yeah, this is probably a children's pool. That makes sense. Children's love the giraffes, man. That's why. That's how we know. We're just sitting here getting some rays, waiting for my parents to get done their breakfast. So might as well get that D, you know what I mean? That vitamin D, baby. So we're just down here, La Pineda, and near Salou, and there's all these markets.
Supermercado.
Little marketplace, nice little shops to walk around and buy some stuff. And there's also the beach right across there. Look at that.
Bonito.
We're gonna go over there in a minute, and check it out.
We can go to the
Look at the booze. Supermercado. Look at all that alcohol. Woo! There's all these neat artworks down here. It's pretty cool. That's pretty neat. I don't know what it is, but it's supposed to be. Just heading over to the beach. Woo! We're gonna go see if this bar can accommodate us.
Oh, it's hot.
Pretty dope. Pretty nice.
Wow.
We're just out here in the Mediterranean, testing out the waters. It's a little bit brisk, but it's beautiful. A little cold. We're just down here on this wicked reggae bar, having a pina colada.
Watching the lizards.
Look at that view. Oh yeah.
Watching the lizards crawl by.
That's a real gecko.